how to sell art and collectibles on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products and where you can buy the other sellers' products as well. So as you can see in here, we have a lot of products and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So for example, let's check one of these products just to show you what you're going to learn in today's video. So let's choose this product for example. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shop page exactly like this one, a shop page for your own product, obviously, like this one, how to add the pictures of your product or a video if you have one, how to enter the price of the product, and how to add the options, how to add the product's details and the product's description. And the last thing is how to set the shipping and return policies that suits you specifically. So let's just close this page. I think you get the idea of what you're going to learn. Then let's go to the first one. Click on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here, in order to do that, you will need to go through 6 steps. And the first step is the shop preferences. Then comes name in your shop. Then you stock your shop. Then you choose how you'll get paid. Then you set up the payment or the payment processors. Then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm going to change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for the shop. So here I'm going to remove. So I'm going to need to remove this as well. Let's type and let's make it like this. That's it. And as you can see, the name is already taken. You can choose from one of these options, or you can just do what I like to do, which is add a number, add another one, and then the name is available. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stock in your shop. So here you will need to add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. And guys, before proceeding to adding the photos and details about your product, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that you need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. And the first required field is the photos. You will need to upload at least one photo. Then you have the inventory. You will need to give your product a price. Then we have the listing details. Here you will need to fill all of these red fields. And the last thing is the shipping, and you will need to do the same as well. So let's start with photos. Here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So you start with the title. Make sure to give your product a catchy title. Then you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company, or a person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things? Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then here you type your product's name to choose a category. Let's choose the first one, which is the wall decor. And here you have some additional details to fill, like the craft, where you can choose up to 5. So let's go with the 3D printing, beading, calligraphy, carving, and ceramic. Then we have the primary color, so you can choose the primary color of the product. I'm going to go with black. Secondary color, let's choose blue, for example. The width, you can choose a unit in here. The height, you can choose a unit as well in here. Depth, the same thing. And here we have the sustainability. You can select up to 2. So it's with the FSC certified wood and the organic cotton. Then you have the style. If you want to search for one, then the occasion. You want to search for one as well. Then you have the holiday. Let's search for one in here. Let's choose Eid, for example. Then we have the room. You can select up to 5. Then you have the renewal options. If you want to choose the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you can choose the manual, which is free. Then we have the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then you have the description. So here, guys, in order to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then you have the production partners in here. If you want to add 1 or 2, you can add their details in here. Then for the section tags and materials, they are all optional, so I'm just going to skip them for later. Then we have the inventory and pricing. So here you can choose the price that you want. This is just an example. Then we have the shipping. So as I said in the beginning, make sure to fill all of these red fields with the right information. So for example, for the processing time, let's say 5 to 7 days. And the last thing is the shipping. You can choose the 30 days policy, or you can choose another one by creating your own. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.